everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, we all have bad days, and today has kind of been a bad one for me. So today's video is going to be a little bit different to what I normally post. Normally I do like a tutorial or something, but today I am just going to be doing playtime with Paris, giving her a feed, and instead of talking to you guys, I'm going to play some beautiful music over the top of it. And so yeah, we're going to have some playtime, and I'm going to feed Paris. So let's get into the video. So if you're wondering if I'm sitting in a blow up swimming pool / ball pit, you would be correct. We're having playtime in the ball pit. So as you can see, little Miss Paris loves this. So I know dogs aren't for this purpose, but because this is a stuffed dog, we can use it for this purpose. So because she can't ride a horse yet, she is just going to ride around on this. And this little girl is fast asleep after her big day. Sorry, did I say I wasn't going to talk? I meant to say that I was going to do minimal talking. But just while I've got you here, if you're wondering where I got the dog from, I got him in a show bag. And if you're wondering where I got the bouncer from, I got that from a thrift shop, op shop, for like $7 or something. So that's a pretty good deal. Those things are costly. So, and it still works and everything. I originally thought that the music didn't work, like it needed new batteries. Not unless my husband has put batteries in there and hasn't told me, but I don't think so. I think maybe he would have told me, or maybe I just didn't hear him. Oops. Anyway, it works. So that's pretty cool. So I used that for my video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Bye.